It's good to come your way again. Today, I'm feeling very creative and inspired, and I want to try the Japanese Souffle pancakes, those fluffy pancakes. I bet you've seen a lot of videos on YouTube on that. This will be my third attempt. It is not difficult to make, but there are some tiny technicalities that you have to follow, and hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will turn out great. If you are not a subscriber, please hit the subscription button, comment, like on my videos, and let's be YouTube friends. If you're a subscriber, welcome back, and thanks for always watching my videos. Let's give this a try. Here's what you will need. 4.5 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of regular milk, 23 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. In a container, separate your egg whites from your egg yolk. Whisk your egg yolks together. Stir in your tablespoon of milk. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Sift in your flour and baking powder. Mix it together. Now whisk the egg white until it's creamy and fluffy, stirring in the sugar bits by bits. Start on low heat for about 30 seconds, and when it starts bubbling, then you can start stirring in your sugar. After your egg is creamy like this, okay, mix that into the other mixture. In a heated pan, spread some butter and wipe it off, just like that. Remember to lower your heat. You don't want to burn this, right? So scoop, I'm gonna use this. If you have an ice cream scooper, that works fine as well. Scoop and this is all done, and it looks so good. This looks really delicious. You can add butter to it. I'm just gonna put some honey. Yes, Lord. you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's be YouTube friends. See you next time. Give this a try and let me know. Thank you.